Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word inhabitants. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The island was once home to a diverse group of inhabitants, including indigenous tribes and European settlers. The word inhabitants refers to those individuals who live in a specific place, such as a town, city, or region at a given time. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.